Hello, Carole Conlon here. We're going to talk more today about spiritual connections and dealing with spirit as a dowser. Today's topic is twin flames, soulmates, and Siamese twins. Now, I've probably mentioned or you've about soulmates already. People are always saying, "Oh, I'm looking forward to finding my soulmate. It'll be so wonderful." And actually it won't be. The soulmate is the other half of the monadic split when we split into duality. It's like the yin yang symbol or the Safeway symbol. You've got the black, the white, the circle of color in each. What happens is the soul has split into two parts. Hopefully it's a 50-50 split. Sometimes it's not. That causes problems. But the two souls now are totally opposite each other, but there's that little bit of attraction in each for the other, that little piece. And that can cause major problems. If you run into your soulmate during a lifetime and they're available in whatever shape, form, as far as, say, getting married, what happens is you've got two souls that are wildly attracted to each other but repelled at the same time. And so I'm sure the sex is really pretty good. But at other times during the day, no, not so much. Because each one is vying for dominance and it becomes a problem. So don't wish for your soulmate. It isn't worth it, I don't think. Anyway, ultimately, as we ascend, the idea is to become one again. The soulmates really need to become one again. And this becomes a problem for the ages because each has an ego, and who's going to let go? That's one that really can't be figured out. Also, if you meet your soulmate in a lifetime and they happen to be married to somebody else and you're married to someone else, it can create quite a problem because the attraction is enormous. So there's your soulmate. The flame mates are the other souls in that flame family. You and your soulmate and all these others are working together lifetime after lifetime after lifetime in very close quarters in different types of connections. You might be married one lifetime, another lifetime you might kill them. In a third lifetime, one of them might be a child of the other, and so on. Many relationships. These are the souls that we turn to for help to get through the ascension, to get through the learning process, the growth process for our souls. Those are the ones also that you will recognize when you're walking down the street. Karma needs to be cleared as it's brought up. Sometimes we are asking them to do something to us in a lifetime in order to get our lesson. Not always a good connection, but it has to happen. And then the Siamese twin happens when you are getting help from another soul family. So it's like your flower is coming together with their flower, the two flames touch, and there's a little bit of working across both the flames with those other souls. It doesn't happen as often, and maybe it does. It's just that it doesn't come up in the programming or with karma clearing and stuff as much that I've seen. Your soulmate, don't marry him. Your flame mates, you're going to work with them a lot. And the Siamese twin could be a pop-up. So we'll see you for the next tip and hope you're enjoying the series.